Include the Scudo Sage green wall cabinet with Basin 800mm in your bathroom renovation to create a relaxing haven. This sophisticated piece brightens the entire atmosphere of your room in addition to providing much-needed storage. The beautiful sage green hues of the wall cabinet add a touch of serenity to any bathroom decor. With two soft-closed drawers, you get enough space to store all your essentials, and the unit comes fully assembled for easy installation, saving you precious time and energy. This cabinet is built to last due to its moisture-resistant materials, which enable it to handle the challenges of humid and damp environments. Choosing a wall-hung design will free up floor space and give the impression that the area is larger than it actually is. Furthermore, matching furniture is available to finish off the design of your bathroom. Treat yourself and your bathroom with the Scudo Sage green wall cabinet with Basin 800mm and appreciate the perfect blend of sophistication and style. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom furniture range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.